Hello! In this video I will teach you how to play Jingle Bells in 4 different levels. Levels are time-stamped, so feel free to skip ahead or skip back if you're too good or too noob. So this will be a little overview of the 4 levels. So in the right hand I always used these 3 fingers, and the thumb always played the 3rd string, and with the other 2 strings I just changed between the 2 fingers and never used the same finger twice in a row, except when you change strings. And in the left hand I think the hardest part was bar 8. You can use like 3 and 4, and definitely when you go up here use 4, but otherwise you can choose. Here I added the bass, so the thumb in the right hand always plays the bass, and I guess that's it. Like, you play melody with these 2. And the same goes here, that don't use the same finger twice in a row. Level 3 is quite experienced, so I added like a moving bass that moves between 1 and 5. It always does the same, and as always you play it with your right hand's thumb. So in bar 11 there's this place. You play it like this. So bar for a second and then you take it off. And oi. If you're too noob to play this, then you can just play it like this. Or So it starts with the harmonics. Like first note is non-harmonic and the second one is harmonic or something. So you could also play like, but in this case I played, it makes it into this sort of like a fun song. And this is created by muting, which I do with my right hand. So you will touch the string right after you pulled it. That will make the notes short. And here, it's cool to make a slide. And you can also do the slide and then go like quiet all of a sudden. So the ending will be like doo-doo-doo-doo, and then jazzy chord. Anyway, if you're good enough to play this, then you probably won't need me explaining this to you. Just look at the notes or look at the hands and you'll get it. If there's any questions, I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching. I hope you make Santa very happy this Christmas. Peace out. Hello, in this video I will teach you how to play Asian Jingle Bells. Wow! The first level being one for elderly and babies, and the last one being for Chinese people. Chinese people. Disappointing. Different lovers are different lovers.